Jack is back. He's got the zing, and the zing.
Shh. Okay, take it down a notch, Murray. We don't want to alarm the humans.
See, where I'm from, we'd already be up by now and put in a day's work. You better get up. Dang, is it time for a drink yet? I mean coffee? Time to get up, y'all.
Right, time to wake up.
Good morning.
How do you know it's morning?
Well, that's usually when people set alarms for, James.
Ah. Listen up. This is Ben Shepherd warning you that...
Get up now! There's a Sharknado!
Should we wake them up?
Well, they did set an alarm.